Welcome back. While the datetime module is great for manipulating dates, a separate module called time contains functionality for system-level time control. You may pause your program's execution using the time.sleep parenthesis function. This is essential for controlling resource usage or adhering to rate limits when interacting with external systems. 1. Importing the time module. Unlike the datetime module, which contains the datetime class, the sleep function belongs to the separate, lower-level time module. To use it, you must import time. The time.sleep parenthesis function takes a single argument, the number of seconds, as a float or an integer, for which the program should pause. During this pause, the program consumes minimal CPU resources. 2. Practical example. Simple countdown. A demonstration is a countdown timer. By placing time.sleep parenthesis inside a loop, we can control the pace of execution. In this example, the program prints the countdown number and then pauses for exactly 1 second before iterating to the next number. This demonstrates precise, controlled delays. 3. Pausing for sub-second durations. Since time.sleep parenthesis accepts a float, you can pause for less than a second, such as half a second. This is useful for very precise rate limiting or creating smooth, though basic, text-based animations. Just remember that the operating system guarantees a minimum pause, but the actual pause may be slightly longer due to system overhead. To summarize, time.sleep parenthesis is your tool for scheduled inaction. Our next lecture 25.07, Knowing the Execution Time of a Program. See you there.